Welcome to our comparison of the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. Both of these compact washing machines are designed for convenience and efficiency in small living spaces like apartments and RVs. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, highlighting their capacities, power ratings, and unique features. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of which washing machine might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Both the Giantex and COSTWAY washing machines offer a washing capacity of 12 pounds and a spinning capacity of 8 pounds. This makes them suitable for small loads, perfect for individuals or small families. Their twin tub design allows users to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, saving time and making laundry day more efficient. When it comes to power, the COSTWAY washing machine has a slightly higher washing power of 330 watts compared to the Giantex's 300 watts. This means that the COSTWAY may provide a more robust washing performance, especially for dirtier loads. However, both machines maintain a similar power consumption for spinning, ensuring efficiency during the spin cycle. In terms of design, both machines are compact and lightweight, making them easy to move and store. However, the COSTWAY model has slightly larger dimensions, which may affect its fit in tighter spaces. Additionally, the aesthetic differences, such as color and control panel layout, may appeal to different user preferences. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Giantex and COSTWAY portable washing machines. Both models offer great features for compact living, but your choice may depend on specific needs like power and design preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.